Hello everybody, this is Phil, Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa, with a couple items that might be interest to some folks. First thing here is an EverStart Plus. It's a power inverter, 750 watts, and it states that it also is 1500 watts high surge peak. It has a display. It has two USB ports, has a fan. You can see some of the specs here. This particular unit was only used once. I tried it once, it worked perfectly when we were out in our travel trailer. There's a battery on board that we charge with a solar panel. The trailer happens to have a built-in power controller, solar panel power controller. So we plug it in the panel to the jack on the outside, and it charges the battery. And in an emergency, or if I need to run some power tools, I can do it directly off the power of the trailer. But if I just wanted to use that battery, I clamp on with the included clamps from the inverter to the battery, and it'll give you household current to power up a number of devices. So that's what we got here. TVs, laptops, charge your phone. It has two USB ports. See them right there. Two outlets. Display. What I like about this one that a lot of them don't have is that they have replaceable fuses right here by the fan. These two terminals here is where those clamp adapters tie into. You can also make up a well, they also sell, but you know, us radio operators and electronic tinkerers can make two connections here to a cigarette lighter adapter. But if it's going to be you know, a heavy load close to the 10750 500 watt area, you want to go directly to the battery. So it's got some mounting lugs there. It's a nice unit. These go for around 50 bucks, around $50. And if you have interest in this, definitely get it much lower price. Shoot me an email, kilomike4oscarpapa@yahoo.com, km40p@yahoo.com. So shipped, I would say, would be right around 45 bucks. Get this for 45 bucks, right around there, somewhere in that area. Make me an offer I can't refuse. So there you have it, the EverStart Plus power inverter. That's a nice item to have. We also have another nice item here, a really nice and good working condition. It's a Behringer 802 mixer with built-in preamp. You got some XLR, two XLR mic inputs. You got 3/4 inch inputs. You got several options you can take advantage of. It's a very good condition. I have the power supply for it. It also gives you phantom power, 48 volts, if you needed to power up a microphone that requires 48 volts, or you can use it with a dynamic microphone. Also, you can plug in different inputs of different audio devices. I made up this cable that has an 8-pin connector. This one happens to be, I had it wired for Icon, but now I have it wired for Kenwood. And with the jack here, plug into the output of the mixer, and you can feed audio into your Kenwood 8-pin connection microphone jack, and you can actually set up your mids, your highs, and do some EQing with your microphone, or you can feed other audios into your transmitter. For instance, like I was doing locally here, I was retransmitting some shuttle audio at one time, and as of late I've done a couple of SpaceX launch audios and transmitted over the air, which is perfectly legal. So that's one of the few things that the FCC allows us amateurs to transmit over the ham bands. So there you have it, Behringer. So if somebody has interest in this, this cable does not come with it, but I could make up custom cables for Kenwood, Yaesu, and other radios if somebody gets hold of me. So there you have it. I don't have the original box, but I'll pack it up very well as I normally do. I have a couple of these items. This is a mini keyboard. These are very, very, very nice little keyboards. They can be used with Xboxes, PCS3s. You can use it as a keyboard on your computer. You have a little USB adapter that plugs into the device that you want to use this keyboard with, so it gives you that. It's not Bluetooth, it's probably around 2.5 gig or something, and makes the connection between the keyboard and the device you're trying to use it with. Many devices, you could probably use it with some of the rigs too. Another nice thing about this one's marked RGB. That means the back lights light up in different colors: red, green, blue. I have some that's just white back keys. You can turn them off. You can make them continuously flash, which can get pretty annoying. Also, you got a mouse pad here in the middle, and up and down, and you have a little pamphlet here. It gives you all the instructions. What else can I tell you about it? So touchpad DPI. So there you have it. I'm gonna have this posted probably on QRZ, and these nice to have. Use them on your TVs. So this is the H9 mini keyboard. These are all brand new. I only have a few, so they're brand new, and this I can ship for about $23. So it goes in a priority box, and they've been raising their rates and shipping like crazy. That one priority box that I use for these used to be around $7. Now I think it's about close to $9 to ship. So that's what happens. We got to take the blunt of that. Or you can pick it up if you live nearby and you know me, or even if you don't know me, get a hold of me, but you're nearby, you can pick them up. Very, very nice. Matter of fact, I'll show you what it looks like. I have one here. There you have it. Let's see, turn it on. You got an on-off switch in the back, because these are rechargeables. No AA's, anything like that. They're rechargeable. You plug them in with the supplied charger, and it will charge them. Hold these two buttons together, and you see this one's white only background, and really good to use, you know, in a studio or where it's dark, like a TV room. These also, you open up the back here. Oh, it's not in here, but the little USB adapter that is a receiver for this unit. You plug it into the device. It's not in here. This is actually one that I use on my TV. So that's where that device is plugged into USB port on the television, one of the televisions. They're awesome. Then you know use it, turn it off. That way you don't, it lasts you longer. So there you have it. And last item I have here for now is another Kenwood handheld mic. You've seen these before in videos. I sold one that I advertised yesterday, so I have a few more. So anybody still interested in these Kenwood, wired for Kenwood, the 8-pin adapter or the 8-pin connector, 600 ohms. 60, not 60, 600 ohms. So there you have it. A few items. This is Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa signing. Thank you.